Hi, Geronimo.
Mommy, look, he did put the eggs down.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You must have been a good girl. Oh, did you hurt yourself?
Yeah, I put it on here.
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah. And on my carpet here. So that's everywhere. Look, Mommy, eggs on my toys.
What?
Look. Look, Mommy.
On your toys.
Oh, our toys. Mommy.
Oops, did that fall?
Um,
I opened up the window and something fell.
Mommy, look behind you. Look behind you on my horsey.
Oh my goodness.
Mommy, can you help me find some eggs?
What about your basket? Do you think you found your basket?
Wait. Where's my basket? Where's my basket?
Didn't we decide to put it by the door?
Daddy, look! The Easter Bunny put out eggs for us. And then we have to decorate them.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, honey, be careful.
Look it, Mommy.
He gave you candy.
I
Cool.
think I was a good girl.
Yeah, I think so too.
Look, it was Easter, and look what he put out for me.
Is that a bunny?
Yeah, Papa. And Daddy, look, I'm wearing a bunny because it's Easter.
Cool.
Because the Easter bunny came. Mommy, look at these. Mommy, what's inside of these?
I don't know, but those look yummy.
Yeah. Is it for me or Daddy or Mommy?
I think it's for you, unless you want to share.
Well, there's three of us. Look. Mommy, look, there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I think Santa gave these both to us.
Oh, okay.
I like these.
You do.
Oopsie. Daddy, this is yours.
Thank you.
This is mine.
Thank you for sharing your candy.
Wait. That's mine and that's yours. Mommy, can you open this for me and me? Daddy? Daddy?
Go get your basket and put the eggs in it.
Yeah, you can get your Easter bunny basket and
But Mommy, look.
in my plant.
Yeah. Look at the Easter basket.
Oh, that's your other one.
Look. There's eggs everywhere. Mommy, look, there's eggs on the wall.
What? That's a funny place.
They're rolling. Wait, look, there's eggs on here.